When someone speaks to you in English, do you sometimes feel unsure about what to say? In this video, you will learn how to talk about yourself in English using simple, easy, and clear sentences that you can use in real life. By the end of this video, you will be able to introduce yourself, talk about where you are from, talk about your family and your job, and feel more confident speaking English. You don't need perfect English. You don't need to speak fast. You only need to listen and practice with us. If you want to improve your English step by step, please like this video and subscribe to the channel. We make calm, clear, and fun English lessons for beginners. Stay with us until the end. You will be surprised how much you can say. Welcome to the English Learner Show. Let's begin together. Hello everyone. My name is Adam. I am very happy to be here today. I am not alone in this episode. I am here with my friend, Mike.
Hello, everyone. Thank you, Adam. It's great to be here today. I'm really excited about today's topic because this is something we use every day.
That's right, Mike. Today, we will practice introducing ourselves. This means saying your name, where you are from, where you live, your job, your family, and what you like to do. These are simple things, but they are very important.
Yes, and we will speak slowly and use easy English. You can listen first. Later, you can repeat.
Let's start with a very simple question. Mike, where are you from?
I am from Canada. I live in a big city. The city is called Toronto. Toronto is busy and lively. There are many people, many buildings, and many things to do.
That sounds exciting. So you are from Canada and you live in Toronto.
Yes, that's right. How about you, Adam? Where are you from?
I am from the United States. I live in a small city. The city is called Asheville. Asheville is quiet and peaceful. There are mountains nearby and the air feels fresh.
That sounds very relaxing. Adam, do you live in a house or an apartment?
I live in a house. The house has a small garden. I like my garden very much. I enjoy spending time there, especially in the morning.
That sounds lovely. Do you drink coffee in your garden?
Yes, I do. I like quiet mornings, coffee, and fresh air. How about you, Mike? Do you live in a house?
No, I live in an apartment. My apartment is downtown. There are many shops, cafes, and restaurants nearby. Everything is close.
That sounds very convenient. Now let's talk about family. Mike, how many siblings do you have?
I have 4 siblings. I have 2 sisters and 2 brothers. They are all younger than me.
Wow, that is a big family.
Yes, I have a big family. It's fun, but sometimes it is noisy. How many brothers and sisters do you have, Adam?
I have 3 siblings. I have 2 brothers and 1 sister. 1 sibling is older than me. 2 siblings are younger.
That's nice. Having siblings can be very special. Let's talk about work and job. So, Adam, what do you do for work?
I work as a language instructor. I help people learn English. I enjoy teaching very much. It makes me happy to help others learn. What about you? What do you do?
I work as a freelance graphic designer. I work on my computer. I design logos, posters, and websites. I like being creative.
That sounds interesting. Now let's talk about free time and hobbies. Mike, what do you like to do in your free time?
I like cooking. I like walking around the city. I like relaxing in the evening.
That sounds nice. I like gardening. I like going for walks. I like quiet mornings.
Are you a morning person?
Yes, I am a morning person. I like waking up early. I like having breakfast slowly. I sometimes do light exercise.
I am not a morning person. I like sleeping a little longer. I enjoy calm evenings. And I like to go for a walk every evening.
We are all different. That is perfectly okay. Now let's do a simple recap. Listen carefully. Hello, my name is Adam. I am from the United States. I live in Asheville. I live in a house. I have 3 siblings. I work as a language instructor. I like gardening and walking. Now listen to another example.
Hello, my name is Mike. I am from Canada. I live in Toronto. I live in an apartment. I have 4 siblings. I work as a graphic designer. I like cooking and exploring the city.
These are simple introductions. You do not need to speak fast. You do not need many sentences. Simple English is good English. Now it is your turn. In the comments below, write a few simple sentences about yourself. You can write your name. You can write where you live. You can write what you do. You can write about your family. You can write what you like to do. Do not worry about mistakes. Practice is more important than perfection. Little by little, your English will improve. In the next episode, we will practice more everyday English. Before we finish, I want to say something. Learning English takes time. It is okay to feel nervous. It is okay to make mistakes. Every mistake helps you learn. You do not need to be perfect. You only need to keep trying. Listen again when you can. Repeat when you are ready. Practice a little every day. Even 5 minutes helps. You are doing better than you think. Thank you for learning with us. Thank you for spending your time here. We are happy you are part of this journey. We look forward to learning with you again. See you in the next episode. Take care and keep practicing your English. Thank you, Mike. And thank you for watching the English Learner Show. If this video helped you, please click like. Please subscribe to the channel. And share this video with your friends and family who are learning English too. Your support helps this channel grow, and it helps more learners find these lessons. We will see you in the next episode. Until then, keep practicing. Stay safe and have a great day.